How to turn on personalized news content on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on personalized news content on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and let's go back first, and now just click this one opera icon and then click settings icon and go down until you find here this one data collection, and as you see here you will find the personalized content in your news feed. Just click on it, and as you see now personalized content in your news feed has been turned on. And that's how to turn on personalized news content on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.